Hi, fourth grade, and welcome back to Science Gizmos and Mr. G. Today we're working on our next gizmo, which is our pulley. Yesterday we worked on levers, and the day before we worked on our inclined plane. Today we're going to be seeing the next use, building all up, of course, to our trebuchet. Now let's launch this and see how it works. Okay, so I'm going to first turn on to show the force, so I can see the weight in newtons, similar to yesterday. I'm also going to turn on this information to help me just understand what I'm working with. And yeah, to see how that looks. Okay, so drag people to the rope to lift the object. So we have a pulley type is one fixed. Just now is here. You can see that if I add more along the way, to enhance this. We have an armchair, a safe, and a piano, and the objective is to get it up and essentially into this third story room. So I'm going to bring over a guy and a woman. Let's see what happens. Okay, nothing yet. There we go. Okay, so we have the armchair. Great. Now, that took 5 people to do that. Let's see if that changes if we have one fixed and one movable here. So 1, 2, 3. Great. So the reason we were able to do this with 3 people with this extra pulley instead of 5 people is because this pulley, as it pulls it up, also helps shift the weight and make it less require less effort for the people pulling it up. The more pulleys you have on, the less people you'll need. So let's see what happens if we go all the way to 3 fixed. So as many pulleys as we can go. Let's put one person on. See, with just one person, you're able to pull all those pulleys up and bring this chair up by themselves. Again, because this changes the disbursement of the weight, so it's not just on this one pulley, it's dispersed across all these pulleys, creating more of an advantage and creating less effort. This is the truth, and obviously, of course, real life too, as most of these science gizmos are. So you're going to want to practice today to see how many people it takes for each of these objects and how they work. There's, of course, a video preview here if you want to see more. When you're done, you're going to want to simulate the things down here into your assessment to answer these to the best of your ability. I look forward to seeing your work, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.